Hey everybody, Pastor Brett here. I want to just take a few minutes and give you a preview of what's coming up this Sunday as Ecclesia gathers to worship Jesus. I'm excited about this Sunday. My wife and daughter and I have been in Uganda for a month, so we've been away. We haven't been able to gather with Ecclesia, and it hasn't been enjoyable being away from the church. We're excited about what Jesus is doing in Uganda and being able to train pastors, send kids to school, that kind of stuff, but we really missed being with the church. So I'm excited to be back, and I'm also excited because we are starting a new sermon series called Genesis, in the beginning, grace. So for the next 10 weeks, we're going to be walking through the entire book of Genesis, not exhaustively, but 10 weeks, just kind of going through the main characters, the main people, the main events, and looking at it, hopefully, in a very genuine way to see what God has to say to us through the book of Genesis. So let's just be honest. Many sermons have been wasted on the book of Genesis. Many sermons have been wasted trying to, I think, figure out, is it 6 literal days of creation? Is the earth old or young? Or why was there a snake in the garden? Or what is the tree of knowledge of good and evil? Why did all these things happen? But really, that's not the point of Genesis. And this Sunday we'll be in Genesis chapter 1 and a little bit of chapter 2, looking at the creation account. So rather than trying to dissect it in a way that we're trying to figure out how many days and all this kind of stuff, we're just going to look at what does God say and what do we know to be revealed to us from the Word of God in Genesis chapter 1, from the creation account. And I think we'll be surprised when we just look at what God has to say and we see that from the very beginning, God has been operating as a gracious giver, speaking creation into existence. So as we kind of introduce the book of Genesis, we're going to look at the creation account, and I want to point you to 4 things this Sunday. I want to point you to that God created the world by grace. God created the world by grace. And number 2, that God created everything. He created the world for His glory. Number 3, God created everything for His joy. We're not getting to our joy right now. We're talking about God created everything for His joy. And then lastly, we're going to look at the fact that God created everything for our good. So, God created everything by grace, for His glory, for His joy, and for our good. This Sunday at Ecclesia.